Hope everyone at home is ready for a very vertical venture as we're loading our Skyway Stadium for this opening round. Brought to you by Volpe. All right, the Steamrollers, the Retros, the Big Splash, and finally, the Boundless. The stage is set. It's showtime.
It's a game of shadows tonight, as our contestants will have to battle through the reduced visibility to claim victory.
The arena looks like it's fresh off the showroom floor. All ready for our contestants to take it out for a test drive. Enemy out there! The Retros are over at Vault 1 to check what's inside. The Big Splash are accessing Vault 2. Starting with a cannonball, the Big Splash have started our first cash out. Rocket away! Cover's here! C4 planted! Planting!
Cash out A. Go!
The Retros have outpaced the competition so far. The Retros have started a cash out. Cover's here! RPG fire! Charge is set! Placing an explosive! A chance to be a hero for the Steamrollers' last contestant here. Our sponsors are ready to be impressed. Our first cash out goes to the Big Splash. Let's see whether they can keep that momentum going. On me, down here. Let's go. Cover's here! A bit of virtual catastrophe for the Retros. Team wiped. As usual, lots of action and destruction awaits as we enter the second half of the match.
That's for sure, Scotty. The atmosphere is charged with anticipation as we continue this epic battle.
Payday for the Retros. Cash out complete. Look at the Big Splash. One deserted contestant holding down the fort all by themselves. The Retros are opening Vault 4.
Door Vault 3!
Sending a rocket. The Big Splash are back and ready to avenge that team wipe. Yikes! Team wipe for the Steamrollers.
It seems they've hit a roadblock.
Right on! With boundless momentum, the Boundless are opening Vault 3. gameplay with plenty of technique on display. It's given us goosebumps.
Indeed, Scotty. You can almost feel the tension in the air as the teams try to outmaneuver each other.
Cash out in progress thanks to the Boundless.
Looks like we're headed for overtime in this match.
The last member of the Big Splash needs to be calculating before jumping into any danger. A bit of virtual catastrophe for the Big Splash, Team White.
It's event time. I hope our contestants are ready for a surprise out there. Eliminations will now be rewarded handsomely, which means we might see more aggressive play
Ready
styles.
to detonate!
Deathmatch event ongoing, it seems that our contestants have learned to play with a bounty on their heads. Keep your eyes on the steamrollers. What a steal.
Remember, that's illegal in many jurisdictions, but not here.
Things look rough for the Boundless. Their remaining member could turn things around.
Crime bomb!
It's full steam ahead as the steamrollers make a remarkable comeback.
The clock has stopped, and what a match we've just witnessed.
A bright day in the arena with normal visibility. A literal place in the sun for our contestants.
A high-rise surprise in the arena today, as the hotel area promises to offer an uplifting stage for our contestants' approach to combat. Unlimited potential for our match, as the Boundless are opening Vault 1. The Jet Setters take flight, opening Vault 2.
We got our first elimination, Scotty. Talk
the
about
safe
making a
zone.
solid first impression on our sponsors.
This is what it's all about, partner. Ouch! The Ultra Rares suffered a wipeout.
Let's see whether any contestants go after a team wipe here. In our tournament matches, a team wipe results in a loss of cold, hard cash.
C4 set!
The Jet Setters are all fired up. They've started our first cash out.
Going to cash out B.
The Ultra Rares are back.
Move to
Team
cash out
respawn.
B. Attack on A. Go for a steal on A.
RPG away! Dome shield engaged! C4 deployed! Ready to detonate! RPG fire!
Only one contestant left for the high notes. The Ultra Rares are back in the arena, folks.
A little present.
The Boundless breakthrough, opening Vault 3.
C4 ready. C4 armed.
The Ultra Rares will need to come back from that wipeout.
They are as scarce as hen's teeth now, Scotty.
Cash out B.
The Jet Setters are opening Vault 4. Halftime. The tension is rising by the minute.
The second half is going to be packed with suspense. I can hardly contain myself.
Going to cash out B.
The virtual rug has almost been pulled out from under the high notes. One contestant left.
Push for cash out B.
Cash out underway thanks to the Jet Setters. Will need to come back from that wipeout.
That's what you call facing the music, Scotty.
Going for the revive. Charge is set.
The high notes are back and ready to drop some explosive beats. The Boundless are initiating a cash out. Wipeout.
They really hit the tarmac, Scotty.
The high notes just confiscated a cash out. The Jet Setters are back on the scene.
That we're about to launch an event. Our contestants better buckle up.
Incredible! That's a cash out snagged by the high notes. 1 foot in the door for our leaders, the high notes. There's a new vault to fight for in the arena.
Our contestants might keep some distance to their opponents now, as a successful elimination will cause some...
Left to hold down the fort. Misfortune for the Jet Setters. Team wiped. 1 minute warning. Guys are busy unsealing a vault.
Going for Vault 6.
The Boundless have respawned. Let's see how they bounce back. 30 seconds to go, folks.
Yep.
From all involved.
The fog is so thick tonight that I can't see more than a few feet in front of me. Poor visibility for our contestants.
It's orientation time in the arena, as contestants will have to seek high and low for cash boxes and cash out stations. Up, down, left, right is the name of the game. The Boundless are strong-arming Vault 1.
Scotty, we've got our first elimination. The action is sure to ramp up now.
Hold on to your Result bucket hats. Brought to you by Result. An instrumental move as the high notes have started to open Vault 2. The Steamrollers have lost all but one
Shielding! Hurry inside! Planting explosives.
Moving down there now. Moving to catch out Station B.
The steamrollers are looking to make a name for themselves. First cash out started. The Bellas denied a cash out. Great steal.
Don't shoot online.
The steamrollers will need to come back from that wipeout.
C4 deployed.
For the shock and awe, concentration and determination will be key as they start their cash out. The steamrollers have returned to the arena.
Attack! There! Enemy
RPG away. Raising a shield.
The steamrollers are at a disadvantage. They've been reduced to a single contestant. It's in! The Boundless make a bold statement with the first cash out of the match.
Ready to detonate. Don't shoot online.
Half of this match has been played now. The competition is getting fierce.
No doubt. The second half will be filled with even more unforgettable moments.
A wipeout and a setback for the steamrollers.
Scotty, if I were them, I'd be steaming mad.
Rushing Vault 3!
Confirmed. Dome shield deployed.
Cash out complete, and the shock and awe reap the rewards. And just like that, a new vault has appeared in the
Planting
arena.
explosives.
Vaulting Vault 3, it's the shock and awe.
C4 set.
Pulling ahead now, we have the Boundless.
Dome shield
strengths of their team and use them to succeed.
Yeah, several minds are better than one.
Our contestants are learning that it's not just a cold shower that will wake you up. A meteor shower will do the trick too. Cover's here. The shock and awe will need to come back from that wipeout. The steamrollers are crushing it. They're opening Vault 4.
Cash out D, I'm coming.
The shock and awe are rejoining the match.
Explosives deployed!
Endless possibilities ahead as the Boundless have started a cash out.
A lot is on the line here as we're heading into overtime.
Go down! Watch out! Down there! Let's go down there! Enemy spotted! Down there!
Cash out set in motion by the steamrollers. The steamrollers are down to just one contestant, folks. Great move there by the high notes, stealing that cash out.
Dome shield deployed!
Seconds left, June. Gah! I'm on the edge of my seat here.
C4 armed! Planting explosives!
Tight. The final round is about to begin, and it's going to be a bit different. The first team to earn 20,000 will win. How's that for a thrill, Scotty?
Ha! I expect this round to transcend realities, just like our sponsor Result.
Charge planted! C4 set!
The Boundless are opening Vault 1. Have commenced a cash out.
Shielding, hurry inside.
test of nerves and skill from here.
Creating a safe zone. Preparing explosives. Screwing things up. Preparing explosives. C4 deployed. Cover's here.
The high notes are rejoining the match.
Advance to Vault 2.
The high notes are opening Vault 2.
Explosives are set. C4 out. Take Vault 2.
Secure cash out A. Going to cash out A. Advancing to cash out A.
A cash box is now ripe for the taking, as the Boundless have started a cash out.
It's a game changer, shifting the momentum. For now, anyway.
Up there. Planting explosives. Explosives deployed. RPG en route.
Raid Vault 3.
I love this part of our show. Who will get to the new vault first?
Sure.
Enemy over there.
The high notes seem to be
Charge
extorting Vault
deployed.
3.
C4 ready.
Together. Together.
Jump pad here.
The high notes will need to try again. Team wiped.
I would have expected them to survive a bit of death metal.
Yes.
Moving to cash out C.
The high notes are back. Team respawned.
Focusing on cash
moment here in this final round. Cash out started.
Memories are about to be made, for sure.
C4 ready. Screwing things up. Raising a shield!
Now that's a proper steal.
The cash out found some new owners. What a steal.
Left is to confirm the result. And now we celebrate as one team of contestants becomes a group of rising stars. Congratulations to the Boundless from all of us here at the finals.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love